Alright, so number 77 says graph each function. Use the graph to identify the domain and range. Well, I tried taking the video out of my book, but you can't see the problem real well, so I did a rough graph on a piece of paper. As you can see, the graph goes from -1 on the x-axis through -1 on the y-axis and continues on downward. So to find the domain, what I did was I pretended that I was a little small guy on the x-axis walking left or right. And as I was walking, if you look up or down, if you can't see the graph, you know that's not part of your domain. And once you get to -1, if you're looking up, you don't see any part of the graph, but if you look down, that's where the graph starts, and it continues going on to infinity. So that's why the domain is including -1 to infinity. And the range works the same. What I like to do is I'd like to just flip the graph, and then I'm on the y-axis walking up or down, or left or right, looking up or down. So if you start down here and you're moving to the right, if you're looking up or down, you don't see anything until -1. You can see down, but if you keep going to 0, you can see up to the -1 on the x-axis. So that is why the range of this graph is -infinity to 0, including 0. You can also do this on a calculator when you graph your functions with the little guy walking back or forth. It was just easier to show this on a piece of white paper that I drew out. Thanks for watching.